Now is the time to join a team with an inspiring culture, outstanding earning potential, and benefits to support balance in your life. Bill Jacobs Volkswagen in Naperville is expanding and looking to add technicians and service advisors to our growing team. Whether you're early in your career or an experienced technician, you deserve something more. At Bill Jacobs Volkswagen, technicians get more, including free health insurance, paid time off, 4-day work weeks, the best technology, and tons of training. Bill Jacobs has been in business for almost 70 years. We have a reputation for providing world-class customer service, and we know it starts with our team.
Hi, I'm Karina. I'm a service technician here at Bill Jacobs Volkswagen. I was originally a porter, and I was really interested in cars my entire life. And I was going to school at Universal Technical Institute, and these guys were nice enough to actually let me watch them and shadow them while I was going to school. The best training I ever received here was from all of these guys with over 10 years of experience here at Bill Jacobs, and they've taught me almost everything that I need to know. My career path at Bill Jacobs is bright with all of the opportunities of growth that I have here with all of the other technicians helping me.
Our service advisors play a key role in ensuring each customer received a premium experience. If you enjoy building relationships with customers, being financially rewarded, and having fun at work, join us.
My name is Colin. I'm a service advisor here at Bill Jacobs Volkswagen. Been here about a year now. Bill Jacobs Group just feels like a family, coming from the dealerships that I had been at before. I feel just respected and appreciated a lot more than I ever did before. Most of the staff that I work with here has been here for a very long time, low turnover, so I really feel like there's a great future for me here. And just the support that I get, from my management and my coworkers it's really nice.
The first step to finding the career you love is by applying. Make the best move of 2022. Join our team today.